Hey everyone, welcome back to Ride Review. Today we're diving into the 2025 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Camper van, a luxury home on wheels that's raising the bar for road trips and outdoor adventures. This isn't just a camper, it's a high-end experience with all the essentials, plus a few surprises. Starting with the exterior, Mercedes has given the Sprinter a sleek, modern look that commands attention on the road. It has that classic Mercedes elegance, but in a robust van shape designed to handle all terrains. The large, panoramic windows give you incredible views of nature, while also allowing for plenty of natural light inside. The build is both aerodynamic and durable, ideal for long trips or off-road adventures. Inside, you're greeted with a spacious layout that makes fantastic use of every inch. There's a fully equipped kitchenette with a 2-burner stove, fridge, and even a sink, making it easy to whip up meals on the go. Across from the kitchenette is a convertible lounge area that doubles as a dining space by day and a cozy sleeping area by night, comfortably fitting 2 people. The seating and upholstery are premium quality, and Mercedes has added extra insulation to keep the interior comfortable, no matter the weather. Performance-wise, Mercedes has equipped the camper with a powerful V6 diesel engine, paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. This ensures a smooth drive whether you're cruising down the highway or tackling off-road trails. Plus, with 4MATIC all-wheel drive, you'll have added confidence and control on tricky surfaces. Mercedes has also included a range of driver assist features like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera for safe and easy maneuvering, perfect for anyone who's new to driving a larger vehicle. Now let's talk about tech. This Sprinter is fully loaded with a high-end infotainment system, featuring a 10.25-inch touchscreen that includes navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. There's also a smart battery system that powers everything from interior lights to USB outlets and is designed to conserve energy during extended stays off the grid. For those wondering about the price, this high-end camper experience comes in around $90,000. It's an investment, but for anyone serious about the van life, this Mercedes offers unmatched comfort, style, and versatility. That's it for today's review, but stick around because tomorrow we'll be highlighting a special feature that sets this van apart from its competitors. And as always, stay tuned for more luxury car reviews coming your way soon. Thanks for watching Ride Review, and don't forget to like and subscribe for your daily dose of car insights.